everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, I am the Miss Nicole Marie. Today we have a very exciting video for you guys. Now this video is just going to be a little mini haul. So just a shout out, I got these from Katina Mosh. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Sorry if I got it wrong, but I will link her information down below for you guys. I got all of these products from her, and these are decently priced and she's very reliable. And I found these out from Style and Grace, which I have followed and done a haul on some of the things that she links and talks about on her Instagram page. So shout out to both of them. This is where I get some of my dupes. And today's not just a dupe haul. I do have a bigger dupe haul coming. These will be included in that bigger haul, but I wanted to do a little mini haul for you guys since I think this person especially needs a shout out. She has her own little business going. So I just wanted to do a mini haul for you guys and get these out here first. So first items that I have are not really dupes, but they're really cute masks that she have. She got Louis Vuitton, Dior, Gucci masks, all that you could want in masks, and they're not going away anytime soon, so I figured I'd pick up some really cute ones. These were actually pretty cheap as well. They kind of range in prices, I'm pretty sure, but I got them they range from like $9 to $12, I believe. I will post the prices that I bought them for above, but she has quite a few different masks to choose from. She posts them almost daily, different mask ideas that she has that she's selling, and they're very reasonably priced as well. They're super cute, and I just got these the other day and I'm excited to try them out. So I'm going to open these up and try them on for you guys and see how they look and see how they're comfortable, and yeah, basically just do a little mini review on the masks. Masks are not all that I got. I will include this next part in the dupes haul that I will be having in a few weeks. So if you want to stay tuned for that, don't forget to subscribe it down below. Click the bell notification so you're notified of every time I post a brand new video. So you will be notified when you see this dupes haul. It won't be right away. It will be in a few weeks. So just to let you guys know, if you want to stay tuned for that, definitely click the bell notification so you're notified of when that comes out. But along with her mask, she also has these Christian Dior dupe bracelets. I purchased these. You can see I have a real one on my wrist, and I had to pick up some of these. I want to compare them, and they will be in my bigger haul, just so I mention it. So I also want to take these out and kind of compare them to my real one and see how they look and see how they differ. So these I will be trying as well, but we're going to try the masks first. Alright, we have this really cute Louis Vuitton mask. Now it does say on the package to wash the mask before you wear them, so I did actually take them out and wash them beforehand. Just an FYI, it's a good thing to wash the mask before you actually wear them, even after buying them. So this is a really soft fabric. This is a size medium. I think that's the average size that she has. I don't think I really specified what size I wanted, but I think medium's like the average. So this is really soft material. It is definitely a double layer on the inside. It's the same fabric as the outside. And there's also a little hole on the inside if you want to put a filter in there, I believe. I normally don't put filters in mine, so I'll leave it there. And the ear holes are the same fabric all the way around. So I really like that. I think this will be really comfortable, so let's try it on. Alright, and this is the mask on. It is really comfortable actually. The ear loops don't bother me at all. I feel like it fits perfectly over my face. It doesn't really go below my chin, but just to my chin, which works pretty good. It's not suffocating me. It doesn't feel like it's too small. The fabric is really nice, and I like that it's not too much gapping right here. It pretty much covers my mouth and nose, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. I really like this actually. It looks really cute looking in the viewfinder here. It looks really good. I am excited about this mask. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. I love the color as well. This comes in so many different colors. I'm sure that you will find anything you want below. So let's try on the next one. Alright, second mask that I got is this one right here. Again, it's kind of in the same color tones of the first one. Obviously, I like this mauvey pink look. This one is Gucci. It's got a little Gucci logo right here. It's got florals on it. It has the Gucci pattern going through it, the iconic Gucci pattern, and that's in brown on the background. I think this is really cute. This one is a little bit different. The back is just a solid mauvey tone, and the ear loops are the same tone as the inside. Again, it has a little hole in here so you can put a filter in. And actually this side is a lot softer than this one. This is like a smooth finish, whereas the inside is like a really soft cotton feel. So let's try this one on, see how it fits. All right. This one feels really good too. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's suffocating me. I like that there's a seam down the middle here, kind of gets it away from your face, or away from your mouth at least, so that you can talk, which is something I really like. The fabric on the inside is a little bit looser than the other one, but it's very soft material. It feels very comfortable on my face. I really like it. The ear loops don't hurt at all. They feel like the perfect size for me. So yeah, I mean, I actually really like this one too. I'm very impressed with these masks, considering they have a designer look to them. I think they are super cute and reasonably priced. I really like that. Let's take this off. I think these are adorable. I'm so happy with these purchases. Really, really cute. I think these are gonna come in handy. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. All right, and next up are the Christian Dior friendship bracelets. I just got a matching set here, and I actually do have an original one from Christian Dior. And I got this with my friend Hannah. If you saw my Atlanta vlog, I'll link that in the eye above. But I got this bracelet with her, so I only have the one. But I wanted to compare these with my original and see if they differ or if they are a really good dupe. So let's open these up and see how they look. Alright, I took my own bracelet off for reference so I could see a little bit closer how they differ. I'm going to compare it with this one specifically because this is the same design and look as it. So I think a little bit more helpful to look at these two side by side. This one is another dupe, but this is more like the matching pair, which I do not have personally, but it is really, really cute. I don't think it'll be the greatest to compare these two together, but I do really like that they match. And this is a set that you would see on the website as well, or if you go to the store, this is something that you would probably see relatively similar to the actual designer items. So looking at the two that match, these look pretty similar. These are pretty spot on, honestly. I think they're slightly different fabric. I think they actually have their own fabric for these bracelets. But the spelling is perfect. They didn't mess up the spelling. It's literally perfect on them. And the fabric, like stitching, looks pretty similar. Honestly, there's not too much about it that looks different. There's one small difference I'll have on what the difference is. But it's basically how the actual bracelet attaches to the adjustable part. Just seems a little bit different, whereas you see that the original has multiple strings attaching to the main string that adjusts the bracelet, whereas the other one only has only two strings that connect the adjustable part to the bracelet. So that's pretty much the only difference. You're really not going to be able to tell that difference if you're just, looking at it probably. Most people wouldn't notice that type of thing. So I think these are amazing, really good. The fabric, again, is pretty similar. They're very soft, very comfortable. So I think these are really good. I love the look of them. Put them all on together. And just like that, one turns into 3 bracelets. These are really, really pretty. I really like the look of these. Again, I love the color that I picked out specifically. Again, that like mauve-y light pink tone. I love these perfectly. They go really good together as well. I will say these two, the ones that I compared, are very, very similar. This one, again, is going to be different. The fabric on this is a little bit stiffer, and I think that's because of the detail of stitching that it has on it. But again, the color looks really good. This matches the similar look of what the actual pairing of this bracelet would look like. So I think these are amazing, really good quality, absolutely love them. I am honestly really surprised because they were pretty cheap as well, so I am just blown away by the quality and the similarity to them. They are designer inspired and they look pretty darn good. So if you guys want these items, I will link, of course, her Instagram below for you guys. She posts on there almost daily. You just DM her and she's very responsive. She seems like a great person, and I am so thankful that I found her. Thank you so much for these bracelets and the mask. I absolutely love them. And that's pretty much it for my little mini haul. I could have bought a lot more stuff from her, but I just wanted to try these items specifically. And again, these bracelets will be part of my dupes haul coming later. If you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you know when that comes out. If you want to follow me on Instagram to see more items that I buy like this, my handle is down below. And don't forget to also follow Katina Mosh. I think that's how you pronounce your name. I'm so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Please correct me down below if it is. And that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul on this Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next Sunday for my next video. Bye!